Let's unbox something new. Kakaiba to kasi yung pagkain mo niluto pa sa wooden box galing sa Japan. Dito lang yan sa Gansu Shabu Way located at Mall of Asia right below IKEA sa tapat lang ng SMX Convention Center. What we tried is yung bago sa menu nila, yung Shabu Way Zero Mushi Set for 2. Includes 250 grams of meat. Nakikita mo naman yung quality ng thin slice of beef with veggies and mushroom set, rice with signature homemade dipping sauce mixing yakumi condiments. Nag-try din kami ng inoki mushroom chips, fruit shake, and mochi ice cream nila. Yung nagustuhan pa namin yung meat at veggies nerve na nakalagay sa Hainoki box bamboo wooden steamer na from Japan pa talaga. At yung steaming process preserves natural flavors and nutrients of the ingredients kaya yung result healthy and light lang yung dish. Ginawan din pala kami ni Sir Anthony ng signature homemade dipping sauce. Pwede kayong magpatulong sa kanila or meron din dito sa table guidelines kung paano yung pagmimix. For cooking, inassist kami ng proper para perfect yung pagkakaluto. 8 minutes lang yung proper time para ma-steam yung meat and veggies. Sa favorite part naman tayo, tikman na natin ipasok ba sa bangachos. For appetizer, inuki mushroom chips. Well, ang masasabi ko lang ang perfect and ang crispy. Proceed agad tayo sa beef na naaamoy ko na-excite ako. In fairness, sobrang tender talaga. Enough lang talaga yung 8 minutes steaming and kung ididip nyo pa dito sa dipping sauce, oh, ang sarap. May pleasant aroma ng wood na ewan ko ba, mas nakakasarap siya. Hindi ka din matatakot maparami ng kain kasi hindi naman siya oily. And kung eto ba naman yung side dishes mo, steamed veggies na lahat is healthy. May kalabasa, enoki mushroom, and green veggies which is perfect din sa dipping sauce. May crab meat, tofu, and corn. Usually pag steam lang para kasing ang boring but this one I swear mapapakanin ka talaga. And syempre yung dessert, soft serve vanilla ice cream, winner din to. Definitely babalikan talaga, quality yung food, malinis, plus accommodating yung mga staff. And that's it. Follow for more food trip. Bye!